Oh, hello, hello. Ah, it's restoring us. Okay, I see what's going on here. All of a sudden, we were cruising through space. But I guess what happens is whenever you load the file, it just takes you back to the beginning of the level. Which I think we actually don't need to be here anymore. I believe we got everything. Yeah. Bring prize to agent. Use your swing shot, which I don't have. Ah, but money's respawned. The bolts have respawned, it looks like. Interesting. Anything we can buy? For the Gadgetron?
I got some great bargains for you.
I got some great bargains for you today. Bomb glove ammo and pyrocitor ammo. I think we're good. I think we're all good. Let's get on out of here. We've done everything we can. Nice. Great hops there. Okay, so Novalis we've already been to, Iridia we've done, so now we need to go to Metropolis Kerwan. Yes. Blast off. Whee! Looks like Coruscant. But Coruscant was more luscious and green. Nice. We've made it. Alright, what do we got going on here? Nice. Yeah. Bolts, please. I need the money, the power. Beautiful. What we got going on here? Do we get more gadgets?
I got some great bargains for you
Nice
today.
blaster. I can buy the blaster. Yeah, I'll buy the blaster. And then... Oh, nice. Maxed out. Maxed out. Great! Fantastic. Is that a robot of the superhero dude?
To quickly center the camera, just tap the L1 button.
Ah, nice. Oh, there we go. Nice. Nice. Okay, cool. Cool. Why does it keep, like, pulling me to this downward, looking up almost, angle? You know what I mean? Okay, so that's that way. Maybe this is where I want to go to test out the blaster. Oh!
Welcome to the Captain Qwark fitness course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the third island to complete the course. Good luck! Qwark Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Excuse me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
Clank,
Yes?
do you notice anything unusual about Captain Qwark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Qwark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
Oh. Poor Clank. He didn't know. He's doing the best he can. Okay, clearly I don't have the tool for that. Maybe I do. Maybe I just zipline down using my wrench. Fascinating. Oh, I do want to go here. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ah. So I need... Oh! Right, I forget I can do this now. Ooh. Ow. Sorry, I could get away in time. Ooh. Okay. Yee. Nice. Ooh. Nice. Whee! Okay, let's wander around. Check and see what we can find. Ooh, there's something cool over there. There's a golden bolt. Okay. Up we go, up we go. Up here. Yes, here. Oh! There we go. Nice. Oh! Oh! Oh, easy, easy. We got this. Whee! Beautiful.
These moving walls also function as jump slots. Jump and jump again to kick off the walls in midair until you reach the top.
Oh, I want that bolt. Oh! Ha 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 ha! Okay, doing fine, doing fine, doing fine. Nice. Oh! Oh, you tricked me. Oh, goodness. I was not expecting that. Whoo!
To enter look-around mode, press and hold the L1 button.
Look around mode? Why would I need look around mode?
You can also use your weapons and your wrench in this mode.
Oh, whoa, I didn't realize I could do the throwing thing in this mode too. That is fascinating. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Oh, we made it.
Listen up, you loudballs! That was the most pathetic display I have ever seen on that obstacle course!
What do you mean?
We finished the circuit, ma'am.
Oh yeah, but it is weak. Weak! When I was competing, I would devour courses like that for breakfast!
Oh my goodness.
Bet that's not all.
If it were up to me,
Rude.
you would drill for the rest of the day! But somehow you managed to impress that fool Captain Qwark.
Captain Qwark knows about us?
He certainly does. And worst of all, he wants me to give you a prize for that ridiculous
Oh
performance.
boy.
Cool, what is it?
I'm supposed to give you a swing shot, so you can sway to and fro like little insects.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's see it.
Not so fast. Today, the two of you disgraced my obstacle course, so I am going to make you pay.
Oh, sweet.
But that prize is ours from the captain. That's not fair.
Too bad, life's not fair.
So now we have to buy it for 1,000? Oh no. Too bad we have 1,000.
Sweet. I bet Captain Qwark uses stuff like this all the time.
Ha! Real men can swing without silly toys like
Oh
that.
my goodness.
The two of you make me sick.
Wow. What in the world?
Congratulations on your new Gadgetron Slingshot. Use it on standard Versa targets like the ones nearby. If the target is out of view, use the L1 button to aim.
Huh? Ah. Gotcha. Okay. Interesting. So this is another gadget for us to use. Make sure there's nothing else down here that I want. Yeah. Gotcha. Okay, cool. This way. Whee! Nice. Bomb ammo. We don't need this. Yeah. There we go. Get on the little thing. And make it across. Fantastic. We did it! More gadgets for us. Oh! And secrets. Nice. Oh, that's the wrong way. I didn't want the camera doing that. There we go. Very nice. How do I switch? Nope. Nope. Hold on, wait. There we go. Blaster. There we go. Okay, here we go. This way. Ow! You're tough. Oh, he's running away. Running away, eh? I'll bite your legs off. Ooh, secrets. Yeah. What? What? How do we get up there? So we need like a rocket pack or something? Fascinating. Nice. Nice! Wunderbar! Don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Ah, got him, baby! Ha 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 ha! Nice. Give me a health back. I did take a damage earlier. At least I thought I did. Nice! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yaw! Go, 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 go! Nice! Where? Whoa! Ow! Ah, very cool. So the explosive boxes are useful to be mindful of, so that we can use them to our advantage. Okay, was there not a... I feel like there's supposed to be a golden screw or a golden bolt over here. Is that just me? I thought there was gonna be a golden bolt over here, because it's supposed to be... We were supposed to be able to see it from the training course. Interesting. But with that said, with that question abounding, that is where I'm going to end this recording, guys. So when we come back, we will continue our exploration of this metropolis, and we will find Captain Qwark and the other space adventurers and relay them the information we have. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for all your support. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!